Hey Unstoppables, what's up? So today we do have this TVS Red-On. So let's see what TVS offers in the Red-On. So as usual, the TVS logos, it's the LEDs, it's the indicators of bulb, guys. It's a normal bulb. The classic version, guys. So it's a classic bike. It's the mudguard, front mudguard. It's the suspension. It's the reflectors. It's the horn. It's the pedals of this bike. It's the sari guard. It's not installed right now, but it's a sari guard. Coming to the back, it's a reflector. So as you can see, it's the indicators too. It's of bulb. It's the backlight too of bulb. So let me show you the silencer of this bike. It's huge silencer, guys. As you can see, the suspensions, the grab grill. Here it's the grab grill too. So it's the brake of this bike. It's the kickstart, manual kickstart, guys. It's the reflector too. So it's the Red-On logo. So classy, so good finish. It's all chrome, guys. So as you can see, it's like a mini bullet. So chrome here, chrome here, chrome here, everywhere is chrome, everywhere. So this is the TVS logo right here, 3D logo. It's a pad for thigh support. Superb finishing, superb. So it's the seat of this bike. So long seat, guys, with this beautiful pattern. The weight, the cushioning is so good, feels so great. Pillion and the driver will sit comfortably. So good finished. Here is the pads too. It's the all chrome, guys, all chrome. As you can see, the all chrome. It's the beauty, chrome beauty actually. Superb, guys, superb. So let me show you the console too, what this TVS Red-On is offering. So let me put the key in it. So it's the speedometer, it's the neutral meter, it's the fuel meter, empty or full. It's the side stand, guys. So let me show you. So it blinks, side stand indicator. Let me turn off and off. So you are getting this clutch, smooth clutch, good feel, passing light, low beam, high beam. It's the indicators, guys. It's the horn, so loud. As you can see, here is the bulb. Here is the starter, guys. Let me show you the silencer sound. So let me show you the silencer. So let me show you the silencer sound too. So guys, silencer looks so great. Feels like bullet. So let me show you. So guys, let me show you the heart of this bike. The engine of this TVS Red-On, guys. So this is the engine. The TVS logo is here. This TVS Radeon has 109.7 cc engine guys. So it's a 4-stroke Duralife engine, has eco thrust fuel injection, produces max power of 8.8 bhp at 7350 rpm and max torque of 8.7 m at 4500 rpm. So it has both self start, as you can see, the self start and the kick start too. You can see. So coming to the wheels, it has a premium 5-spoke alloy and front and rear has both tubeless tires. It's both tubeless tires guys. In front it has 2.75 into 18 size and at rear it has 3.00 into 18 size tires. Front suspension, as you can see, oil dump shock absorber in rear it has 5-step adjustable hydraulic shock absorbers guys. Shock absorbers looks good, looks great. So overall this Radeon's length is 2025 mm, the width is 705 mm and the height of this bike is 180 mm and wheelbase, will show you, and wheelbase is 1265 mm. So the ground clearance, as you can see, of 180 meters. So curb weight of this TVS Radeon is 116 kg for drum and 118 kg for the disc. TVS Radeon offers huge colors guys. So let me tell you, one is royal purple, golden beige, pearl white, volcano red, chrome black, titanium grey and the metal black. So as you can see here we have this beautiful color. It's type of burgundy guys, not, it's like that only. But guys, this superb finishing, the classic chassis, superb. Actually I like this bike guys. So those who want to drive a bullet, so this is a mini bullet guys. It's superb. The all chrome treatment, the all classy look, superb guys. I love this bike. So let's end this video right here. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So time to leave, time to rest. So bye, take care guys.